Chloe? She's behind you. Hi, Tony! You didn't clean her eyes. Clean her eyes. Clean me up. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, everybody. Hi, my family. Say hi. You want to play? Go play. Go play. See, I just want to run in circles. I want to play with Mommy. Oh, I'm going to bite Mommy's leg. Ooh. Don't bite my leg. Get him. Everybody, they all like that bone. Show Mommy your new bone. It's as big as you are. And Tori. Say hi to Tori and Daddy. Hey, Charlie. Look at that bone. It's as big as you. Where are you going with it? Come back here.